Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Ready to give your Notion workspace a fresh functional upgrade? Today, I'll show you exactly how to add a live clock widget to any Notion page, so you'll always have the time right where you need it. No more switching tabs or glancing at your phone. Whether you prefer a sleek digital display or a classic analog face, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to embed both styles with just a few quick steps. Let's get right into it. First, we're going to use a tool called Widgetbox app. Hop over to your browser and type in Widgetbox app. This is a site that offers free embeddable widgets for Notion and other platforms. It's super user-friendly, and you don't even need to make an account. Once you're on Widgetbox app, find the menu or section labeled Clocks. Take a moment to explore. You'll see different clock options available. To start, let's add a digital clock. Click on Digital Clocks, and you'll see a colorful array of styles. If you're not sure which design to pick, don't worry too much. You can customize it before you embed it. Think about the look and feel you want for your workspace. A clean, minimal clock, or something more vibrant to brighten your Notion dashboard? Choose the one that catches your eye. Next up, click the Customize and Embed button. This is where the fun begins and you make the clock your own. Here, you can play around with the background color and pick something that matches your Notion theme. You can change the text color too. Maybe go with a classic white on black, or switch things up to fit your workflow. You can even adjust the roundness of the clock corners. A subtle touch like rounded edges can make your workspace feel softer and more inviting. Also, you'll see an option to switch between 12-hour and 24-hour time formats, a small but important detail. So if you're used to military time or just want to avoid AM to PM confusion, toggle this to your preference. Don't rush here. Spend a moment customizing until you're happy with how it looks. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and copy the embed URL provided by Widgetbox. Now it's time to jump back into Notion. Open the page where you want your clock to appear. Click onto a blank line and type Embed. Notion will prompt you to paste a link. Drop in your clock URL and hit Enter. Give it a second. It might take a moment for the clock to load, but once it does, you'll see it right there, updating in real time. Pretty cool, right? But maybe you're a fan of the traditional look, or you want to set up a second clock for a different time zone. Let's do the same process with an analog clock. Head back over to widgetbox.app. Go to the Clocks section again, and this time select Analog Clocks. Just like before, click Customize and Embed. Analog clocks have their own charm. They remind me of classroom walls or cozy living rooms. Personalize it exactly how you'd like, tweaking colors and corners, and switching between 12-hour or 24-hour settings. Copy the embed URL when you're done. Back in Notion, once again type Embed in your chosen spot, paste in the link, and embed it. Now you've got your analog clock sitting right alongside your notes, all in one place. If you ever want to make changes, just return to Widgetbox and generate a new link with your custom settings. And that's all there is to it. Now your Notion pages are upgraded with stylish, always-on clocks. If this tutorial helped you organize your workspace or sparked some ideas, please give it a like. Drop any questions or comments down below. I love hearing how you use Notion widgets. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a tip or trick. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.